In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable PayPal in Shopify. Setting this up is a straightforward process that'll allow your customers to make purchases using this popular payment method, providing them with convenience and enhancing your shop's appeal. To get started, you'll first want to navigate to the Settings section of your Shopify admin panel. Think of this area as the control center for all the various aspects of your online store. It's your gateway to customizing how you interact with customers, manage products, and of course, configure your payment settings. Once you're in settings, look for the payment options. The payment section is where you can manage all the different ways your customers can pay you. Shopify offers a variety of payment methods, but today we're focusing on PayPal. It's a widely used online payment system that covers numerous countries, making it a fabulous option for expanding your store's clientele. When you locate the payment options under Supported Payment Methods, you'll see an option to activate PayPal. This section is crucial as it lists out all the different services you can enable to receive payments. Go ahead and click Activate PayPal. PayPal is often recommended because it's a trusted platform that boosts buyer confidence and provides additional security for transactions, both for buyers and for you as the seller. As you activate PayPal, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. This should be the email address that's linked to your PayPal account. If you don't yet have a PayPal account, just create one first before proceeding. Using a consistent email for both Shopify and PayPal will ensure a smoother integration and transaction process. After entering your email, click on Next. This will guide you through the logging in process for PayPal. Pay attention to the prompts and directions because you'll be confirming critical information that ensures your Shopify store is correctly linked to PayPal. If you happen to encounter any difficulties, PayPal's customer support is typically very responsive and can assist in resolving any issues you might face. And there you have it. Your Shopify store should now be equipped with PayPal as a payments option. This addition can significantly enhance the user experience on your site, leading to potentially higher sales and satisfied customers thanks to the additional flexibility in payment methods. Remember, keeping your payment methods updated and accessible is key to running a successful online store. By offering PayPal, you're not only simplifying the purchase process for your customers, but also taking a big step towards expanding your business on a global scale. Don't forget to regularly check back on your payment settings to ensure everything is running smoothly. Thanks for tuning in today, and feel free to leave any questions or comments if you need further assistance.